Good morning, dear students. I am Simpi. All of you are welcome to EVS class. What are the three basic needs for us to survive? Food, shelter, and clothing. Clothes are very important for us. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes protect our body from heat, cold, and rain. Today we will study about the clothes. We will start chapter 2. What is the title of the chapter? Title is What I Wear. In this chapter, we will study about the story of how cloth was made, about various types of dyes, about designs and patterns. Without further ado, let's get started. What are these? These are clothes. What is this? This is a frock, dress. What is this? Trousers. Right? Do you like to wear such type of dresses? Yes? Good. We wear different types of clothes. Clothes today, depending on our mood and occasion, we can choose from a variety of clothes, different styles, different fabrics, and select what to wear. What factors do you think affect the clothes we choose to wear? It depends on occasion, culture, tradition, fashion, styles, place. Where we are or where we are going is a big factor. Do you enjoy buying clothes? What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Casual dress, formal dress, stylish dress, designer dress, traditional dress, comfortable dress. If you are going to party, then what will you want to wear? You want to wear such type of dress, stylish dress, fashionable dress. If you are going to school, then you will wear uniform, formal dress like this. These are traditional dresses. Different states of people wear different types of dresses. It also depends on season. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. In rainy season, we wear raincoat that protects us from rain. Now answer me, if you are going to school, then what will you wear? You will wear uniform, such type of dress. If you are going outside for shopping, then what will you wear? You will wear jeans t-shirt, jeans top like this way. If you are going to party, then what will you wear? Such type of dress, such type of stylish dress, fashionable dress. In winter season, what will you wear? Woolen clothes. In summer season, what will you wear? Cotton clothes. That's why we wear different types of clothes. What people or in ancient times, what did they wear when different fabrics and clothes were not made? Early humans used to wear leaves of trees. In the winter season, They used to wear animal skins to keep themselves warm and protect themselves from cold. See, first they started to wear leaves of trees, then they started to wear animal skins. After that, they started to make clothes, but they didn't know how to stitch. They started to wear unstitched clothes. Like this, they wrapped their body with the clothes like sari, dhoti, turban. After that, they started to wear stitched clothes. They learned how to stitch clothes. They learned the art of stitching clothes. First, human beings started to domesticate animals. After that, they started farming. With time, human beings learned to make clothes using cotton, wool and silk. See, spinning. This is the first step of making clothes. Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn, into thread. See, this is the second step. In these steps, two threads are crossed together on a loom. See, like this way now. Threads are crossed together. Loom is a machine. This process converts the thread into fabric. See, now fabric is made, and this process is called weaving. This process is called what? Weaving. First, we take the cotton, then we make the yarn thread from the cotton. This process is called spinning. After that, threads are crossed together on a loom, and this process converts the thread into fabric, like this way. Now all of you got it? What is spinning and weaving? Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn, into thread. Weaving is a process by which two sets of threads are crossed together on a loom, on a machine, like this way. See, this is the process. Knitting. This process is called knitting. It is a process of making woolen clothes with the help of two needles. It can also be done using machines. Nowadays, we use machines to make woolen clothes. Now, cloth is made. In the next class, we will study about the process of coloring, and we will study that how can we create designs and patterns. Now, what is your assignment? You have to do this activity. This activity you have to do in your notebook. You have to write down the names of different clothes and mention when do we wear. Write the name of different clothes. At least 5 names of clothes, and write down that when do we wear. For an example, suppose you write jeans, then you have to write down, then when we go outside for shopping, we wear jeans. All of you got it, that how you have to do this assignment? Your assignment is write the name of different types of clothing and mention when do we wear. At least 5 names you have to write in your notebook, and you have to show your creativity in the notebook. Have a good one. Thank you.